Welcome to Quizlets. Please like and subscribe. 50 general knowledge questions. Time 10 seconds each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's begin. Which country has the most billionaires? Answer A, USA. Which animal has the largest brain relative to body size? Answer C, ants. Which animal sleeps the most per day? Answer B, koala. Which country has the highest literacy rate? Answer C, Finland. Which gas is used in airplane tires? Answer B, nitrogen. What gas is most commonly used in balloons? Answer B, helium. Which vitamin is needed for blood clotting? Answer C, vitamin K. Which country produces the most milk? Answer B, India. Which planet has the most moons? Answer B, Saturn. What is the Holy Book of Islam? Answer D, Quran. How many months have 28 days? Answer C, 12. Which country consumes the most chocolate per capita? Answer C, Switzerland. What is 49 plus 25? Answer D, 74. Which animal has the strongest bite force? crocodile. Europa is a moon-orbiting which planet? Answer C. Jupiter. Which country has the largest army by active personnel? Answer B. China. In Greek mythology, Medusa's hair is made of what? Answer C. Snakes. What is the capital of the Philippines? Answer D. Manila. If you found this video enjoyable and informative, we would appreciate your support through clicking the thumbs up. Thank you. Next question. Which country is the rainiest? Answer B. Colombia. Which country has the most airports? Answer D. USA. Who assassinated U.S. President Abraham Lincoln in 1865? Answer C. John Wilkes Booth. The fear of flying is known as? Answer B. Aerophobia. Which mountain range is the longest? Answer B. Andes. Which country has the most freshwater resources? Answer A. Brazil. Which human sense is most developed? Answer A. Sight. What mineral can you add to water to make things float easier? Answer B. Salt. What is the synonym for the word young? Answer C. Youthful. What is the Earth's most active volcano? Answer C. Kilauea. Which city is the capital of Japan? Answer A. Tokyo. Which blood type is the rarest? Answer C. AB negative. Which country has the most lakes? Answer C. Canada. Which war lasted from 1861 to 1865? Answer C. American Civil War. Which country produces the most bananas? Answer B. India. Which gas is most abundant in the universe? Answer B. Hydrogen. Which sport has the most Olympic events? Answer B. Athletics. Which ocean surrounds the Maldives? Answer B. Indian Ocean. Which metal is the heaviest by density? Answer C. Osmium. Which continent has the largest population? Answer A. Asia. Which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Answer B. Italy. Which of these capitals is not in Asia? Answer B. Cairo. Which country has the highest IQ? Answer A. Japan. Who is known as the father of chemotherapy? Answer B. Paul Ehrlich. In Chinese culture, Which color symbolizes good luck and joy? Answer C. Red. Which body organ is the largest? Answer C. Skin. Which country exports the most oil? Answer A. Saudi Arabia. Which planet spins the fastest on its axis? Answer B. Jupiter. What is the body's main blood-pumping organ? Answer C. Heart. What is half of 72? Answer B. 36. Which country produces the most steel? Answer C. China. Which planet is the coldest in the solar system? Answer B. Uranus. Thank you for watching. Comment down your final score in the comment section below.